Hello, everyone. A lot of people talk about AI these days, but are you actually using it in your online business? I've added an AI agent to my site and want to share it with you. Excited about that. It helps me with support, answer questions, and saves time. Uh, you can see it here in the corner. So let's say I choose this Explore Philip Dorich Digital Solutions. You get the point. You can ask him questions, and if you want to know more about this, if you want tips like this and free tools to grow your online business, if AI is also interesting topic to you, you can subscribe here in my link in bio. Just click on this link, uh, click here, and you will get weekly updates on tools and resources to build your digital presence and income. Also, some free bonuses for anyone who joins. So, so that's it for today. Enjoy the weekend. Bye.